Okay, here's the top 3 reasons you're probably overpaying for your workers' compensation. Number 1, your experience modification rate is probably inaccurate. The truth is about 65% of all businesses have an inaccurate experience modification rate. And for those that don't know, an E-mod works as a discount or a surcharge on your workers' compensation. So for businesses that have a better than industry average claim experience or claims history, it'll work as a discount and give them a lower premium. For businesses that have a worse claim history compared to the industry that they're in, it'll work as a surcharge, and they will essentially pay more than the average business for their workers' compensation. And like I said, about 65% of them that we see are going to be inaccurate. So that's why it's important to have that audited and to make sure that everything's accurate so that you're not overpaying. Reason number 2 that you are probably paying too much for your workers' comp is because you are bidding out your workers' compensation to different brokers every single renewal. This may seem like a good idea, but in practice, it's actually not. When underwriters see that a business is switching workers' comp companies every renewal, or they're getting submissions for a company every renewal, what that indicates to them is that your business will switch to save $1 in the future, and that's just not profitable business to them. So they are not going to go above and beyond and put their best rate forward to bring you on as a new client. The third reason that your company is probably paying too much for the workers' comp is because you have a workers' comp policy instead of a risk management plan. And what I mean by that is that every company, every business, they need to have a claims management strategy. They need to have safety protocols in place, and they need to have a return to work program in place. If you don't know what these things are, or your agent is not talking to you about that, you need to give us a call right away. It's going to be one of the biggest factors to making sure that you are keeping your premiums and expenses down and maximizing your profit long term.